Put your hands up. Girl in a bikini. Everybody got a red cup. In a the pool party, oh. Like a scene from a movie. Starring everybody.
Hi beautiful world. Just there man with Pandenia going to UA again. I'm not in a very good mood. I've been miserable for the past 2 nights because the internet has been messing up really bad, and it just has so up my whole thing. Everything, you know, my life revolves around the internet. Well, if you don't know, now you know. Now it has slowed my upload them, you see me? Right about now, my last look for Halloween, and it's like I'm not even know if I can do it. I make sure I'm gonna do it this morning. I'm say, you know, I forgot to upload today for finalize something. So it depends if them come today, I'll start it out. Then or even tomorrow or Thursday, I might be able to put it up for Friday. But tomorrow gonna be a blank day for my channel. Usually my film ahead of time, but I've gotten so busy. I thought I filled out the entire month of October with my videos that I already filmed, but when I checked on my schedule, I realized that a couple of days, like 2 days, I didn't do any videos for those days. Nothing was done, and so I was like, yo, I need to go and get one this right now. And then as soon as I say, yo, my plan up and things, like the devil just try coming on my way, and you know all this, and then the internet today go fine all along, you know, till I don't know, it just bug out. I don't know what me to tell myself. I have limited access. Like it tell us, yo, it may be visible to others, like there's somebody else on our connection. So I'm like, what? Or password is the hardest thing in life to figure out. Not even us know it by heart, and the only way to change it is to go to Flow. And I'm like, yo, this is madness, this is stupidness, this is just foolishness, you know, it don't make no sense. And then Flow change up them whole thing. Can't bother with them. I can't. Right now I have to use only way to get my WhatsApp message and buy data bundle from digital. I even know about digital, them just coming like I don't even know, because you can't even watch one little YouTube video with the little big top bundle where them a give you. It coming like highway robbery. Like I can't deal with that. I need unlimited access, so I'm always on Wi-Fi. So I'm just there. I'm so miserable about the entire thing. So I'm gonna go UA, I'm gonna do them face them. I have like 4 people for do, you know, and then after that I'll go by Flow, because I need to start out this issue. Need to start anything me have to do. If me have to change the modem, I have to change it. Anything me have to do, anything them tell me to do. That right, today is Tuesday, and the previous vlog, a vlog should have already been up, which I have and everything, but it's just because the internet above, isn't it? So if you come back by later, I might be able to upload it later tonight. And I know this vlog you're not gonna see this till like weekend, but I just am gonna know what happened, why you got that vlog late, you know, because I didn't give a vlog on last Saturday. So I was like, yo, kind of compile what I had, put it in Tuesday's vlog, which today is Tuesday. So yeah, but by the time I see this is going to be next Saturday or so. But I'm just gonna know the reason of late uploads. I say I don't want to become one of those cliche YouTubers where, you know, them just slack off on them uploading schedule. Like I don't want to do that. Like whenever that happens, I want it to be a good reason, because I watch some people where everything they always have an excuse. But no, I really can't tell them that, yo, I don't want to be that person. I really don't want to. So them somewhere when them somewhere make me miserable, man. Make me miserable. So I just want to know if I understand where I come from, Zine. So that's what's up. So they're supposed to soon reach. Yeah, it's past 10:30. She should have been here already. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright,
bicycle man, you know. Yeah, the bicycle was there, but you see, bicycle man, I always afraid of them bus and truck,
because sometimes them don't understand how them ride on the road, you know.
And them not supposed to even be riding in a lane. They're supposed to be riding
and
them never
yeah, some of them barefaced, you know. Even the guys them that ride these bikes,
yeah, I don't, anytime I see them I always make them go on. Them sometimes
and coaster bus man, them ride like a for them road, and then when them get late don't know. Because I remember one time, you know, there was this bicycle man. It happened somewhere up by Lady Musgrave, I think, where I try overtake one big trailer with him bicycle, And the
when
children
I'm too used to the road, them baby
Yeah.
say, ooh, that's it. That I found your house without any
Yeah, but
problem.
in
I
my
drove this way.
in my mind, I was like, no, man, you must find it on your own this time.
Because I'm bad with directions. I love please don't remember. But I remember you telling me the last time to come. Girl,
What happened?
I'm gonna tell you something. It's a friend of business.
Oh no, that doesn't mix any time at all. That doesn't go well together.
I feel like I'm very understanding. I'm a very understanding person. I may be spoiled, tell me a lot of things about me that are. But I think one of the good things about me is I'm understanding now. If you're gonna book or confirm something on Friday, right? There's a Friday night, not Friday morning, Thursday morning. When it's Friday night, you're gonna tell me you can't find someone else to do it. I said no. Everybody else is booked out, and I'm trying to put it in the book, and nobody was like answering because most people were booked.
Yeah, I was extremely.
So I said nobody else can do it at this time, and then she's like, oh, Sai, can't
That's
make it.
Yeah.
Yo, let me help you find another makeup artist.
Yeah.
Whatever.
That would be the way to
That
go.
would have been the. I don't understand, even though it's wrong for you to cancel on Friday night. I would not feel so upset.
I just finished finally filmed this video that I wanted to get down. The internet is up for now. Flo haven't called me. They haven't called me as yet. So I'm still waiting to, get that rectified. But the internet is up for now, so I went ahead and I uploaded the vlog that I had for you guys. Today is Wednesday, and because the internet was down and all, I could not upload today for my main channel, which is so unfortunate. But Friday to come, this look, by the time you see this, it's going to be Saturday. So that's why I'm showing that piece of clip here, because usually when I like still out my look them, so I'm not showing nothing about them until the day that I upload. So yeah, I did this as like a glam type of Halloween look, because I did mostly like Alot looks where not necessarily glamorous, so I wanted to do some kind of glamorous and just change up a little bit for my last Halloween video for the Halloween Madness series for this year. So yeah, not much not gonna know. This is what I did today, and I basically cleared. I didn't accept any job for today because I had to do this, and I want to still thinking if I want to like film my next video because the day isn't over as yet. So I want to make the most of today and get a lot of stuff done where videos are concerned. And yeah. Don't walk away from me. Alright, so guys, I finished for now. I finished makeup. This is my last client over there. You can't believe, I'm at UE. I'm at UE. She late for the graduation. So her friend there helping her out. She have to be recurling her hair. Waiting on my driver. That's why I'm still here. But yeah, and I don't know, they're supposed to go in by now because it's 4:30. Then they're supposed to start and it's 5 o'clock now. I should do there. So I'm going to head back home. I sort out some stuff, and then I should head to the club later to do makeup. So yeah.
At the club I am like 10 steps away from the tent.
I'm not like super tired.
I'm here, but I just have a curl over my hair.
Just updating you guys what's going on. Oi. Alright guys, so I'm leaving now, and I'm leaving. I'm going to my driver. I'm reaching along him out there away from me, and I'm supposed to go to the NCB. I don't know where it is. Excuse me, where do I find the NCB? Alright, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to the NCB. Those people were looking at me super weird. They were like, because I have my phone off. straight down, them say. Boy, I'm not even off of them. Them say straight down, but me not say, oh. But me have to turn like them say literally. Oh, boy. Anyways, so hold on. After I go home, I need to set up at my sheet, and then I wonder if I go the right way though, Jesus. And then them stairs there, yo, I don't like bring that train case downstairs, you know. Cause from the other day I moved like a cokehead for me now. Hey, see there? See there? And I'm vlogging. Yo, mosquito. Bruh. So yeah. Alright, my super, I have to go.
He's a nice little young man, but God knows she have a husband. Girl, me no care about your husband. You could go on the beach for your suntan. Plus me I watch you from how long. Me want to wake you up my function. Yup, fat up so. Me no care if your boyfriend lock up so. Me no want hear if him them pack up so. Matter for just girl. When you wind up, when you climb up, me I watch you.
I'm at home and I'm waiting on my driver once more. Gonna head to the club. I'm feeling good today, guys. I'm feeling good. Today's payday. Good for. Thank you very much, mother. Thank you. Jesus, I'm the one that be telling you.
Look here, I'm going to
I joke, I'm here telling mommy for you minute. Shami, pass on fork for me, please.
Seriously, Rich.
I lie.
One can
Shami, see you, but go feel fork for me now.
face.
Shami, I learn, mommy, don't look decent.
Did you do it before you go, me? I wonder what was the occasion?
Mommy,
what I'm to the TV from the evening?
I'm here turn it down.
I go blank. Why TV gel real fat, you know? When I'm ready. When I'm ready, because TV gel better than CVM anytime. I would just say with you about somebody talk down like them and say the other station, they talk about CVM. Me say make them go because it appear part they are CVM. Them just not real, I'm just fake. TV gel real.
Bruh, but me supposed to see them people.
I don't feel them business.
Mommy, I want this to make today. Tell the people. If you want juice to drink, you're not going to make it.
I'm going to iron chef, so I'm tell people what say.
Mommy, I want
food.
Jesus, I'm still I mean, tell her to get me a little bit though, because I didn't eat like something, Mommy, just come. But you know, me never eat nothing from there, so I want this entertainment report. Which part is? Look nice.
Plugged in, flow right up, surfs always up.
I found out the fridge I play like here.
Heat, cool down, party all night, drift away.
Which part?
Wait, no, we
need to go there.
We're going there.
Sure.
And they say you forgot. They say you forgot go.
Bruh.
I mean,
you can't give me as my present today. You can't pay a fee as my present today.
That's how we figure.
As we give you just pay a fee and give it that as we give.
It's a 5-star hotel. All inclusive.
Why from
check in to check it all out.
Me see, mommy, I said no, this one I need to look up what they have a package. But that one here, exclusive. On top of exclusive. Mommy.
And that's
him good looking.
Very, very.
Look there, look at the beauty.
So in
You
comparison,
got better than that?
I'd say not better, but in terms of the bedroom, them and something could have been a little better.
Which bedroom then look better than that?
Oh, me cannot take it out of Jamaica, sorry. Outside of Jamaica, me that refer to sorry. Never met.
Rusty,
Yeah, man.
The man away pay your love to that now.
Morning guys. It's like after 5 in the morning now, and I am going to the Four Seasons Hotel because I have some graduates there. I have like 3 people and my driver is outside, so yeah, really tired, but whatever. Done work like after 12 last night at the club until then I come home. And yeah, let's do this. This is what practicing looks like, people. Look them.
It's not me doing it.
Brianna, just show me eyebrow them, yo. Yeah, it's a plantain chip. Not too long come back from an etc. girls for graduation. You take though. What's them graduation picture? Hi. So I'm going to go do a little bit of grocery shopping. When you're buying out with mommy, she can never decide what she wants. She have to go through the whole shelf before she feel like she gonna find the better price. Watch her over there. Watch her. Lord gosh, me can't bother. But we almost finished by still. See it there? Brenda come with the shaman say chicken and chips, people. Yo, you remember them something? Yeah? You remember chicken and chips? See how them bring them back with the shami. They don't come to buy them a while ago, you know. We have to pick. You come out to pick up. I just leave. Oh, we'll put back some. No, some more. See them? Pick up a whole heap of them. Eh? What happened? What you say I gotta, mommy? What you gonna say? Hey, tagging. Hey, tagging. What you say? What you say I gotta? No. What you say I gotta?
So one, come out of my face.
Or else.
2 step backwards.
Or else what? Oh, yeah, unko busy about the one. I don't know what your favor. Come on. So,
Conversion. Them say me nah boss swear. That me hear enough say. Me fi stay where the crofts there. Them try every little thing for stop the success. Although the road rugged and